And now you see that I have installed in there this socket, and it is really tight. What is this it types is E12. It is like looks like that, and then you need also spanner what looks like that or something like similar, that we can install this tool in that way in here. And this is the trick, that you need good tools. This is first one, and second is in here, of course, more complex position. It is in here, and in that way. And if you damage these bolts heads, that they are slippery. They are actually quite slippery. Bolt head, I don't know that why BMW they don't use normal bolts. It is maybe some engineers' favorite dream to use that kind of bolts in the starter. It is guaranteed, I believe, that some engineer in BMW company likes these bolts, because in like world best manufacturers they use normal bolts in this position. What is normal? Normal looks like that type of bolt. This is normal 13mm bolt, but maybe it is like this BMW's legendary heritage and history, that there have to be difficult and slippery bolts, and now this I12 it fits in here. And as you can see, there is also this engineering skill that I can't open that bolt because there is electric cable in here. And this is also engineering skill, that we design these things so that they are difficult to open. And that's I can't use my socket in here now, and that's I need my spanner in here. And these bolts are so tight, of course, that I need even longer tool to open these bolts. And the best part is that these areas in here, they are so thin that it's difficult to install these tools normally, and we need actually that long, like 1 feet 30 centimeter long, this tool. And now I need, this is wrong type, I need this Torx type. Okay, now I have this right type, and this is really long spanner, and this type is E12. This is this type, and this tool fits in here, and I really recommend that you purchase that type of spanner, because these bolts, they are tight. And now opening direction is in here anti-clockwise. Now this opens nicely. As you can see, it is opening and you can use also the small spanner now, start in that way. And now this bolt is loosened. This is like easy part, this one. Now this bolt I can rotate, but in here we have similar bolt in this back area, and I install this my tool in here. Now it's in position, and this could be the nightmare to you if you damage this bolt. And that's I recommend that you purchase that size of tool, because this is tight bolt. This is tight. And there is not so much space, of course, to move, but in an opening direction is now in another way, of course. Now it moves in like clockwise. Look, this is really critical hint that it is like start and end. And there is not so much space to long spanner, but now it works well. And if you have purchased these short spanners with these wrenches, and there's this wrench type, I can open in this way this bolt. And there's of course this area where I install this my spanner in here. It is so small that normal tools, they don't fit in that hole. It is in here. This is like totally. And now I open that. And finally, when we have just right tools, these bolts opens, and if you damage these bolts, you can purchase new bolts from the nearest BMW center. And now I open both of these bolts. There is the lower one is easy because it is short. It is short and easy to take out. But this another side, this upper bolt, it's long and it takes time to rotate. It opens. And especially so that we don't damage that head. This is short. It is in that type. Now it's open. Now it's easy. Short, but let's go to look in up area. We have similar, but 3 times longer bolt. And let's go to look at how we open that bolt in here. That area. And it means only that I start and move that in here, and then I need to press that bolt that it is positioned, and then I have to move that. It takes couple of minutes time to open this longer bolt. And look, next we take, or you take coffee break, but I open that bolt next. I work in here a couple of minutes. Look at how I work in here a little bit. And now I have even this easy spanner. And then this my opening continues. Okay, and now finally this bolt opens, and note that there's not so much space, but just I managed to take that big bolt away. And it looks like that. And now it is open. And if you damage that head in here, please purchase new bolt from the BMW center. This is really unique, just made only for BMW cars, and this cost about $20 per piece. And special threads and engineering made in Germany. And after that, this our starter is ready to move, and let's look at how I open that. Okay, and here we have the starter, and this can be stuck, and that's we can carefully hit by hammer in the side. And if we are lucky, this opens in so easy way like in my case. Now we can see these bolts, these sides, cables, and this is really Bosch original starter. And be carefully with these areas, because if we rotate the central nut, then cables inside in here goes broken. And then only thing is to replace new starter.